for the environment. Littlest campaign.
My name is Kairav Sangvi and I am studying in Sant Kabir School, Navrangpura, and I am from standard 6A.
Garbage to garden. It's compost time. So now I will teach you how to recycle food waste. And today I am in a garden nursery named Foliage and Style just near my aunt's house. So I am here to take the interview and to know how to make compost bin for fertilizers. So taking all the precautions of COVID, I'll take the interview of Didi auntie. Hello. Hello auntie, my name is Kairav Sangvi and I'm studying in Sant Kabir School, Navrangpura, and I'm from standard 6. And I wanted to ask you a question. How to make the compost bin in a fertilizer? Because if someone litters in the road, it's really painful for me.
Yeah.
So I already have a compost bin. So I need some help from you.
Alright. Okay. So hi, Kara. This is first before making the compost. We'll just go through some plants which are oxygen-giving plants. They give oxygen in the night also, which is like this is chlorophytum, also called as spider plant. Okay, and they give oxygen in the night and in the day as well. And money plant again is beautiful plant. This is money plant, and mostly this Aglaonema variety is also very nice. Okay, so these plants you can keep them in the house, indoor plants. And peace lily is again a beautiful plant which has a white flower and gives a very nice fragrance, this flowers. And again it's a good idea to make a bin, and you can add your kitchen waste, all vegetable peels, all fruit peels into that bin. Put some soil first, then add on these vegetable peels which are extra. Put some waste newspapers which you normally throw away, just put them, and no plastic in it, nothing, no any kind of plastic you should not put in that. Okay, so this is all organic waste in your house which you can use it here. Put little bit of water and just keep on stirring it. Okay, every second day, every third day, just keep on stirring it. In 41 days you will get the nice organic compost, vermicompost. This is not vermicompost, this is actually organic compost. Okay, and in 41 days you will get, and you can use it in the plants. They will get nitrogen, potassium. So normally we give it in a chemical form, so you can give it in this natural form, that you can use that in your plants, and they'll grow healthier and give much better, and it's very good for environment, and they look pretty all around. Yes. Yeah. So you think you can make it?
Yes, I'll try my best.
Yes. Great.
Thank
Great.
you.
All the best. All
Thank
the best,
you.
Kara. Bye bye.
Thanks a lot. I've already learned a lot of stuff from Nidhi auntie. One day, I went to help my mother in the kitchen, and she told me that the peels of vegetables are having a lot of nutrients. So I asked her, why do people litter the vegetables peels? So after that, I was surfing in the internet that how to make composter for fertilizers. So I start composting. So now let's go to my home and start making organic fertilizer from kitchen waste. So these are the steps for to make compost. Okay, so now let's learn about how to compost. So let's go to our compost bin in our balcony.
Okay, so here is my compost bin. So for a compost bin, you need a normal bucket which you have around your house. You don't have to go to the market and buy it specially. So this is my paint bucket which just got empty. So secondly, the main thing you need for compost is sand or garden soil. You can go down and you can take that. And after that, take some kitchen waste like vegetable peels or fruit peels and pour it inside. But make sure you don't pour anything of plastic like plastic bottles, plastic bags which you get from shopping or any wires. That can spoil, that will spoil your compost. So after doing that, stir for 1 or 2 minutes. So now I'm mixing the soil with the vegetable peels and dry leaves. And now I'll be taking some water and putting it in. And then I'll mix it again. So now this process is really long. It's of 41 days and you have to come daily till 41 days and pour some vegetable peels of daily routine you need it, and then stir it daily till 1 or 2 minutes. So these are the fertilizer already created. So now let's know, why do we create a compost? So people usually throw all the vegetable peels and dry leaves and they pour it in the garbage bin or trash bin, and then they put all the garbage in the landfills. And when all the garbage gathers in the landfills, a gas comes known as gas named methane. So methane can cause global warming to our earth or any planet. And secondly, if you gather more garbage, it will create a poison known as lead ash, which will harm our river water, which because of that our fishes can die, and if you open the tap, the dirty water will. That's why always compose the garbage peels and all.
Hope
the
you all
rest
have
kitchen
understood
waste.
what I said. Do not litter vegetable peels or any kitchen waste into dustbin. That can cause disasters. Make sure you put it in your compost bin to make fertilizers. And that will help in growing trees that can give us more oxygen. And make sure you keep your environment healthy. Be safe. Signing off, the reporter, Kairav Sangvi. Thank you.